Okay. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi sholli wa yassir amri wahlul bil lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, my name is Ferry Dwi Andianto. Uh, Scene number 1211041071. My supervisor is Dr. Faurina Anastasia SSMHO. Now I will explain my thesis with the title The Effect of Mind Mapping Technique on Students' Ability in Writing Narrative Text at Second Grade Vocational High School Taruna Pekanbaru. First slide. Background of the problem. Writing is activities that can be usefully prepared by working on the other skill of listening, speaking, and reading. This preparation can enable the use of language such as English words that has been previously encountered receptively to be applied productively. Second, some of students we are not understand how to organize ideas in writing. They still convey connecting one paragraph to another paragraph. Some of students we are not confident in their writing. Some students are still confused in determining the structure of the text. And some of students still have low score in writing ability. Next. Okay. Third, based on preliminary interview with the English teacher, there was no technique used for teaching writing. Mind mapping is very necessary to train students to write narratives so that they can express the mind ideas that will be stated in the narrative essay text. In this way, the narrative text can be coherent and neatly arranged so that it is clear what shall come first and end. According to Fabriani et al. 2024. The lesson mind mapping an effective technique for students in writing narrative text according to the correct generic structure. This technique was make students more creative, enjoy the writing process more, and narrative text more easily. Identification of the problem. First, students do not understand how to organize their ideas in writing. They still convey for connecting one paragraph to another paragraph. Second, students are not confident in their writing ability. Third, students are still confused in determining the structure of the text when writing. And the last, students still have low score in writing ability. Limitation of the problem. Limitation. To discuss on research problem is the effect of mind mapping technique on students writing and students ability in writing narrative text at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. Formulation of the problem. First, how is students ability in writing narrative text who are taught by using mind mapping technique and second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru? Second, how is students ability in writing narrative text who are taught without using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru? And the last, is there any significant difference of writing narrative text ability between students who are taught without and by using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru? Objective of the research. First, to find out the student ability in writing narrative text who are taught by using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. To find out the students' ability in writing narrative text who are taught without using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. And the last, to examine whether there is any significant difference of writing narrative text ability between students who are taught without and by using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. Next. Significance of the research. First, this research findings are also expected useful and valuable for the teachers of English second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. If the result of study show that there is a significant effect, so become a guide for teacher using mind mapping technique as a strategy in learning. 2. Besides, this research can support and motivate students' ability in writing narrative text using mind mapping technique in learning. And finally, this research is also expected to be useful for the next researchers using this research as a reference of research using same topic but in the wider scope and wide more samples. Next, definition of term. First, effect. According to Ummah 2019, an effect is a change that is caused in a person or thing by another person or thing. Second, mind mapping technique. Mind mapping, according to Ari 2060, mind mapping is a technique when acquired by its memory expert of English. Brain of keep information in the form of picture and non in the form of article or letter. This technique is very good for doing record keeping, brainstorming, and to recollect items studied. Writing. According to Resma et al. 2020, writing is an intellectual activity of finding the ideas and thinking about the way to express and arrange them into a statement and paragraph that is clear to be understood by the people. Narrative text. According Kotrinada and Apoko 2024, a narrative text is a text that tells the story of an inside event where a character or characters face challenge and find some relate to them. It concludes by representing a sequence of events the character. Previous research. My mapping to teach writing in descriptive text, written by Shirley Citra Putra and Ratsa Sujiati on 2021. The title, The Effectiveness of Mind Mapping Technique in Teaching Writing Descriptive Text at the 7th grade of SMP Negeri 5 Alala in school year 2019 until 2020 by Nur Hikmatur Resmah, Iwan Perdana MPD, and Dr. Hengki SS MPD BI on 2020. Third, the effect of management technique in writing narrative text by Tiarnita Maria Sarjani Siregar on 2015. And the last, mind mapping on students writing descriptive text by Wulan Sari Panggabean, Fitriadi Lubis, Ryan Driani Fahme Lubis on 2019. Operational concept. Variable X, mind mapping technique, and variable Y, writing ability in narrative text. Okay, research method. The research method. The first is research design. The research use quasi experimental have control experimental class and pretest and post-test. Second, location and time. Location, Vocational High School Taruna Pekanbaru. The time, April until May 2025. Population and sample. Population, 261 students at 11 grade. Sample, 21 students at 11 DPB as experimental class and 15 students at 11 TAP as a control class. Data collection technique. First, pretest. Pretest to experimental and control class. Treatment. Treatment only to experimental class have 6 meetings. And the last post-test to experimental and control class. Data analysis technique. First, normality test. The researchers used Kolmogorov-Smirnov to normality test and Pirate sample t-test to post-test score of the experimental and control class. Next, findings experimental class. Okay, this is the finding experimental class. Pretest, average score 52.33. Treatment, using 6 meeting mind mapping technique and post-test average score increased to 74.90. Next is finding to control class. Test average score 50.13. Treatment, no treatment to control class. Post-test average score increased to 70.73. Finding normality test. For normality test, if the significant level or asigmosin is bigger than 0.05, the data distribution is normal. As presented from the table above, the assumed significant value for pretest in experimental and control class score were 0.000 and 0.200. Thus, it can be concluded that both data are not normal. The Wilcoxon test. Because the data is not normal, the researcher used the Wilcoxon test. The Wilcoxon test is particularly suitable for comparing two independent groups when the sample size are small or the data are not normally distributed. After knowing that the data we are not normally distributed, the researcher will show the description of the Wilcoxon test analysis. The result show that in the experimental group, the Wilcoxon test produced a z-value of mean 3.826 with an SMP site total of 0.000. In the control group, the test a z-value of mean 2.608 with the SM site of 0.009. Since both p-value are below the significant threshold of 0.05, the result indicated a statistically significant difference between the pretest of post-test score in the both of group. The smaller p-value in the experimental group, p 0.00 compared to the control group P 0.009 suggests that the mind mapping technique implemented in the experimental group had a more substantial impact on student learning outcome. Therefore, it can be concluded that the mind mapping technique applied in the experimental group significantly contribute improving writing ability narrative take on student vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. Discussion. Based on the analysis of the pre-test and post-test result from both of the control experimental group, it was identified that the total gain score in the experimental group amount to 22.557, while the control group saw a gain of 20.6. These findings indicated that students in the experimental group who were taught control, a mind mapping strategy integrated within a deep learning approach, outperform those in the control group who receive instruction using traditional methods. This suggests that the implementation of the mind mapping strategy had a significant positive effect on students' learning outcome, particularly in enhancing their ability to writing narrative text in English. The improvements of the students' ability in writing narrative text is grammatical structure, content, and vocabulary. The aim in the research was using mind mapping strategy to their narrative right improve writing. The finding of this study indicated that use of mind mapping techniques support students' academic development, but also foster a sense of and collaboration among peers during classroom activities. Conclusion. First, students' ability in writing narrative that are taught by using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru was categorized into excellent level at main score as 74/90. The second, the students' writing ability in narrative text who are taught without using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru was categorized into good level at main score as 70.73. The Z value of mean 3.8 second 6 with SM6 to tile of 0.00 with less than 0.05. So, there was a significant difference of writing narrative text ability between students who are taught without by using mind mapping technique at second grade vocational high school Taruna Pekanbaru. Suggestion. First, teachers are recommended to use this method in the teaching and learning, particularly in the subject of writing, because the researcher discovered that after implementing the students' mind mapping strategy to the students, the students the student ability in writing narrative text improves. The students enjoy group learning and it's suitable to study with their friends. Second, for the student, they are suggested to be interested in studying English, especially ability in writing. During the session, the students must also be daring and imaginative and pay close attention to the teacher while she or he explain the content in front of the class. And the last, the writers are encouraged to use these tests as one of the research for learning more about the mind mapping strategy and ability in writing narrative text. This is the documentation. Thank you for your attention. Uh, I will close my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.